Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mary Maxine. Today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this wash and go using two products from Creme of Nature. I used their breakup, breakage, leave-in conditioner paired with their curl quench foaming mousse. So yeah, let's jump into the video. As you guys can see, I am starting off with freshly washed hair that is in twist. I decided to keep my hair in twist because I thought that it would be easier for me to style my wash and go within each twist. So I literally went twist by twist by twist to style my hair. So right now I'm just tying up the twists that I don't need, and I'm just gonna jump into this process, guys. So as you guys can see, my hair is getting so long, like it honestly was not fitting in the frame and I was shocked. So I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner, and it is such a light consistency. It's nice and smooth and it smells amazing. So I'm going to spray my hair first and make sure that my hair is nice and detangled, just to ensure that all the products that I put on my hair are literally evenly distributed onto my strands. So it is important that I detangle my hair. And now I'm going to go in with the leave-in, and then I'm going to go in with the curl quenching mousse. So I'm going to use these two together, and it is going to give me such bomb curls. Like, guys, do you see this definition? Like, do you see that definition? That definition honestly is everything, guys. Like, do you see how happy I am? So I'm just literally going to continue this whole entire process until I finish my whole entire head. And honestly, guys, I feel like this has been one of my best wash and goes with mousse, and that is why I'm such a huge fan of using mousse over gel. This definition is literally everything. So like I said, I am going to continue this whole entire process. It's such a short and simple process. So I just took out one of my twists, and a little water got in my ear, so I was cleaning it out. But I'm going to go in with my spray bottle, and I'm going to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized with water. And I'm going to make sure that I rub that water in and detangle my hair, just to make sure that there's no tangles. It is important to make sure you don't have tangles in your hair when you're doing a wash and go. Then I went in with the leave-in conditioner just to ensure that my hair was nice and moisturized under that mousse. And now I am going in with the mousse. I literally love this mousse. Like, I honestly keep raving about it, and it's because it works so well on my hair. Like, do you guys see that definition? This definition is honestly everything, guys. I love it. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. But no, seriously, guys, I'm just trying to finish up my whole entire head. This process was fairly quick since it was a foam, which I love. So I'm just raking the product through my hair. And sometimes when my hair is a little too clumped up, what I like to do is go in and separate some of the curls just to make sure that there is a lot of definition on my hair. So yeah. Here is a clip comparison. So that's my undefined hair versus my defined hair. So that's what my hair is looking like, guys. Okay, so I am about 3/4 done with my hair. I just have this small section real quick. I just have this small section right here, and I just wanted to chat with you guys real quickly before I finish my whole entire head. But as of right now, I am loving these two products together because my hair feels so nice and it smells so good. It also looks really good. It's very defined, and my wash and go process is going by pretty quickly. I did this, like this amount of my hair in less than 25 minutes, and usually when I use gel my hair takes longer because I want to make sure that my hair is nice and defined, whereas with this my hair just defined up itself. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna show you guys a little close-up. I cannot wait for my hair to finish drying to show you guys like my final results, but right now I am loving it. So I'm gonna finish my hair off camera, and when I'm done I'm gonna hop right back onto the camera so I can show you guys what it's looking like wet. So this is my hair wet. This is my hair actually just finished. So this is when I just finished my hair. There's a lot of definition, but it's very soaking wet. So that's what my hair is looking like, and I am loving how juicy my curls are looking. And now here is a close-up of my hair when it is 100% dry. I am loving my results, guys. Do you guys see that definition? Like, my definition is out of this world. My hair kind of has a little cast to it since the foam is kind of firm. But as you can see, I pinned up my bangs because my bangs are getting really long. And I am honestly just loving how my hair looks. This is what the back looks like. It's nice and defined, nice and stretched, and nice and big. All in all, I really love this Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner and the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse together. It leaves my hair nice and defined. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.